Mumbai wakes up fast. Let's catch it before the rush.
First stop, the city's front door.
Right beside street chaos.
Rule 1. Cross like you belong.
Breakfast Mumbai style, on the curb.
One bite and the city makes sense. Spicy, soft, and straight to the point.
A legendary paw.
Inside, it's noisy, but cozy.
Mumbai's artsy heartbeat.
A calm pocket, just blocks from chaos.
Mumbai isn't just loud, it's layered.
This sound, pure Mumbai. You learn to read time in crowds. How busy you are.
Mumbai's soundtrack is layered, always.
Where the city comes to breathe.
Bhel puri, sweet, spicy, chaos in a bowl.
Stay till the lights. Mumbai saves its magic for last.
Night feels softer, but never quiet.
Looks cinematic here. These are Mumbai's time machines.
Down in a fast city.
Okay, back to the streets. Yes, madam, very nice. Come have a look. You read the city in 2 scripts at once.
Fort feels like Mumbai's old skeleton. Now we ride like locals. Follow the flow.
Everything smells like a story.
That sound is pure temptation.
Every sign is a hint you're in Mumbai.
Different mood.
Mumbai can be romantic between the honks. The city finally whispers.
Network.
And it's gone right on time.
South Mumbai shifts gears, business mode.
This view never gets old.
The necklace is lighting up again.
You can walk for hours here.
Now we do the beach food crawl. Properly, properly.
Thanks. Cold, sweet, spicy. Exactly what I needed.
Dessert with sea air. Perfect combo. Mumbai nights feel like a fair.
And then the city finally slows.
Leave it clean, always.
Looks like a palace at night. You only hear the city's bones at this hour.
And just like that, it starts again.
Different energy, same city.
One more. Everyone wants a memory to carry home.
Is Mumbai. Textures on textures. The chaos somehow feels familiar now.
Mumbai doesn't give you quiet. She gives you moments.
This is my kind of sunset drink.
Everyone comes here to breathe together.
The city puts on its jewelry.
One last bite because you can't say no.
Spicy, messy, perfect.
Mumbai families own the night.
The sea edits the day away.
Okay, final chapter. The city's old heart.
Even at night, Mumbai stays on schedule. The louder the day, the sweeter this calm.